We just entered Honolulu Harbor on the Emerald Princess. Today we're going to get off the ship and walk through Waikiki. On this video, I'm also going to discuss what I consider a mistake that I made, and we're going to go to a special place that I didn't expect to see here in Honolulu, and then we're going to go walk along the beach and see all the sights and sounds of everything that's going on down there on Waikiki Beach. Terry and Lidia here in Waikiki. We are on our own for a few hours. We're checking everything out. It's beautiful down here. It's been several years since we've been here, so it's all new to us. So we're going to check it out. Come along with us and we'll see what we find today here in Waikiki.
And we got lucky. Today is very beautiful day. Not hot, not cold.
Yeah, it's actually very nice. Just lightly overcast with some blue sky. It's perfect for me. I'm not a sun guy. Strolling through the downtown here, we came across this Hawaiian-themed shopping experience. I mentioned earlier that I felt like I made a mistake, and that was that while we were on the ship, we booked an excursion. But that excursion was just to pick us up at the ship, drop us off downtown, and then to pick us up at a later time to take us back to the ship, but they charged us $65 each for that. We could have done much better with an Uber each way and been able to control our own time. As we walked through the town here, we came across the Moana Surf Rider. This is an old hotel built in 1901. We've been there a few times. Last time we were here, we got to see it decorated all for Christmas, but we wanted to come and just kind of check it out one more time and just walk through it for fun. Well, we were walking through Waikiki and came across the Honolulu Zoo and said, what the heck, let's go check out the zoo, man.
Yeah, because I always like to check the zoo. It's like I like animals, I like nature, and it will show it to you.
Okay, sounds good. Let's go take a look. The cost for admittance here to the zoo was $21 each. I love the beauty and structure of these trees and how they have different levels. How you doing, buddy? you? You're so pretty. Yes. You're so lovely. He just walked right up to us here and made a noise, and I turned around and there he was. Like, hey, why aren't you guys paying attention? Oh, it's just so beautiful. Got these huge tortoises here. Well, we had a nice time at the zoo, but now we're going to do what you're supposed to do in Hawaii, go down to the beach. We've got another one of these huge banyan trees. Look at those roots and how they just keep expanding. Yesterday when we were on a tour, they said there's one of these that takes up half a mile, 4 acres in Maui. Well, it's been a beautiful day here in Waikiki. We are on the second day of our 4 days in Hawaii on the 16-night cruise. Tomorrow we go to Maui and then we go to Kauai. So we've got 2 more stops on the islands and we're looking forward to it. Thanks for joining us on this trip. Well, as I mentioned, we love to travel. Sometimes it's cruises, sometimes it's road trips, sometimes we find a specific destination and just go, and a lot of times it's spontaneous, but we love to travel together, we love to make these videos, and we're so glad that you came along to view it with us. If you would subscribe and hit the like button, we'd really appreciate that. Thanks so much, and we look forward to seeing you next time.